Good morning. I'm Patricia Weiberg. I'm the chair of the CSDMS Steering Committee, and I'm here to welcome you to the 2015 annual meeting of CSDMS. I'm very happy that you could all come. As you see from the agenda, there's a lot of different things going on at this meeting. It helps keep it really interesting, combination of talks, clinics, discussions, and posters. I hope you'll take part in all of it. The theme of this year's meeting is Data Meet Models, Models Meet Data. And as modelers, I'm sure we all know how important data are for our modeling efforts. But many times, or most times, it seems sort of accidental what data are available for any given modeling effort. And one of the things that we'll be discussing at this meeting, and I hope you give a lot of thought to and contribute to, is talking about how to make this marriage between models and data more intentional and fruitful. So that'll be a big part of this meeting and the discussions that we'll be having. So I hope you enjoyed the meeting. If you have any comments or suggestions about CSDMS, feel free to talk to me. I'll be here for the full week. But I'm going to turn this over to James Savitsky, our fearless executive director.